supposed to be ground, which is off. I'm gonna make it as a ground too. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th leg is supposed to be ground. So I'm gonna just throw a wire from there to here. I'll make it work. Did I lose my wire again? My habits. I must have. I never know. Maybe still on the board somewhere, or somewhere. I'm just gonna put a meter here. Oh no, I know where the wire is. Wire is here. I love this wire. Without this wire, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. Just gonna solder it quickly. I'm sure you can't see what's happening, but I don't care for now, because I just want to finish this job and move on to another one, because I've got loads of work to do. One day I'm gonna make a video, maybe later tonight, what pile of work we have. See. Okay, so soldered on the point, and I remove the next one, which is common. Now we have last bit, connect to the ground, and we're done. Or not. I need to clean that tip. Just a bit of solder wire. Do soldering iron is at the 400 at the moment. Right, so we are we done? Done or not? Just need a little bit of solder. Oh, flux actually. Got it. Tip. Leaning. And this is where I have to work, and we're done. Heavy. How many times I've done? Third. And last one, stubborn connection. If that would not happen, then I'm gonna throw a wire from one pin to another one, which is also a ground pin. No, so I'm gonna jump it from here to the ground. Yeah, because I didn't. No, I'm gonna do this ground from the scratch. I'll put it. If he's stubborn, I'm stubborn too. I know where this ground is going. It's going here, right here, nowhere else. Okay, so clean a bit. Looks
जी भाईजान वालेकुम सलाम ये शॉप का वो पता नहीं कोई वो हो गया बैटरी हो गया
let me pause for a minute. Okay, yes, the customer phone call. And we are back to finish it as soon as possible. Trying to block you again, and I know that, but I can't do anything about it now. I promise I'll make it up. I'll show you. Done on the pin. Coming to the board. Let's see. Okay, just a little bit of flux will do here now. I know that. There was just one ground pin which has caused this problem so far. It's because it just got mixed up. Okay, let's check it now. I'm sure it's done. Before I lose my wire, I'll put it back in my tiny box. I have the wires and I have the coils. So black probe on ground, and again 1 second ground, 3, 4, 5th is ground. It was the missing one, that's where we got mixed up. 6, 7, 8, 9 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm going to check the pin 13 diode mode. Check the pin 13 diode mode. Red on ground. Remember, it's pin 13 from right to left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we have a reading on pin 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And we're done with our repairs, and we're gonna check it on. Also I'll show you the video with the picture. I promise I'll show you the picture actually. I don't know if you can see that. It's on my phone. Okay, let's load up. Oopsie, where are we? Here. There's a picture. Well, it's not my work, it's somebody did it, and it helps a lot. You can see that. There you go. This helps a lot. Tells you where the connections are going. I'll show that picture, don't worry. I'm gonna just quickly show you what we've done on the board. So what we did here is this bit. I'm gonna take the board from off. Oopsie. You can see that. Here. I'm just gonna clean it a bit. That was somebody previously worked on. They made a mess here. Huge mess. I'm gonna pause it and just final it and take the video again. Okay, back again. So what we done the wires, chopper wires, and then what we did, we laminated it, and we also did some of the work on these joints to make them more stronger. It won't come off. This is what previously happened, it came off, and then pulled the prints as well, and we are okay with that now. Now the back of the board, that's what was done previously, and then we have cleaned a bit. Cleaner, and we checked it with the diode mode, that is fine, and then in the end we're gonna check it, display of it. So that's it. This is the end of the video. PlayStation HDMI port with the missing parts on the board. We're gonna make more video. Keep watching our channel, Future Phones. Take care. Bye.